We came to the authentic Italian place and this is it. So this is our view. So right now I'm gonna go to different restaurants and see these restaurants and then later I will come and tell my mom that we can have these other options. Probably we can even do one thing like try out like 2 restaurants, or we can go like to 1 restaurant. I don't know right now what we are gonna do, but let's go explore, guys. You know, that's the thing about the journey. What I like is that, you know, things up and downs will happen in life, but everything is figure outable. And probably, you know, this delay also, I feel like it's given me an opportunity to try like restaurants here and stay in the airport for a longer time. Probably I can even come back and tell you guys like what and all I saw, something new, like I told you guys about the paper stands, and yeah, so that. Excuse me, what is this called?
So this is cheese and cucumber.
Okay, and this one?
Avocado with egg.
Okay. And these are pretzels,
This
right?
pretzel, yes.
To go see what suits our needs. What I can see here is that a lot of like breads, like sandwiches and pretzels and croissants, and I think the most safer option what I could see was feasible was either the sandwich or the salad. We'll see what we can do. Okay, so this is also another option for us. We have a lot of things like pretzels. In the morning we had a lot of options. Like, can you see the cookies? Yeah, the banana cake. Ooh. So these are like $3. Like $3. Probably, you know what, I'm gonna take some and head home. So I'm gonna do that. So this is also another option which we can explore. Anton and Annie, and the other option is the Hub Convenience. So we are gonna go check out. So the croissants are like €3. The muffins are like 4. And if you look at the drinks, that is basically Coca-Cola is like 4.9 and Red Bull's like 5, and like fruit juices are like, you know, it's like €6. As you can see, they have mostly sandwiches. Like, see, the avocado chicken is like €8, and then you can see the salads are nearly like €9, and then the pananis are like 7, and then these sandwiches are like 8, and like something like the pizza bread type, which I can't pronounce, is like €9, and their pretzels are like €4. In some places I've seen that pretzels are like €5, and here is like €5. The first place which I showed, it was like €7, but I think this is We have another option, that is the bar. Yes, but first, pizza. Is this cheesecake?
Yes.
So we have two options. One is authentic Italian dining. I can smell like really good pizza and pastas. So my table is here. My view is this, and my date is, say hi Ma. Hi. Hurry, so our gate changed. So we got the pizza parcel. Ta-da! It's huge. For two people, it's huge. Wow. We just landed, and the first thing I see is, just see who I saw. I'm here, I'm in the US, and it feels like this vlog life, you know, all these vloggers I used to watch, everything like feels like so real. It's coming together. I'm so excited, and yeah, so I've reached Washington, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and see you soon for my next vlog.